Today we're removing the door panels on a 2010 Mazda 3 sedan. Should be the same or similar for the hatchback. This is for model years 2008 to 2013. First, we're going to remove this speaker here. On this particular one, the speaker fell out. Not a big deal, it snaps right back in. I was going to disconnect it, but no need to. There's a total of 3 screws, one behind this door handle here, and 2 behind the door pull. They're all going to be Phillips head screws. So let's go ahead and remove the covers. Can be a little tricky on this one. And then use a plastic trim tool to insert in the bottom and kind of snap that piece off. And then we're going to grab our drill and remove those 3 screws. And then just like most door panels, it's got a bunch of clips in there. We're going to start at the front bottom, which was the easiest to get into. Pull back until all of those clips are removed, and then slide the panel up to get the sweep off of the lip of the door, and then use our door panel hanger to hang it up there without having to remove the handles or the locks. Now we're moving on to the rear door, basically the exact same thing with the 3 Phillips head screws. There's just not a trim panel to remove for the speaker. So remove this cover here to expose the first screw. Then the next cover snaps off just like the front doors. And then we're going to remove those 3 screws. And we're going to pop the panel fasteners. And then once we get that off, and all those removed without breaking any, which can be difficult on some of these older vehicles, we're going to use our door hanger again. And we are all done. Repeat for the driver's side.